Hi Peanuts! I wanted to make some sun catchers with you today. So first I'm going to show you what you'll need. You'll need 2 squares of contact paper, or if you don't have contact paper, you can use packing tape. You will need a cereal box. Yeah, I've got this big empty one over here, but you will need to cut the end here, just down the middle, right here, and then a matching piece on the other side. When you're done, it will look like this. So it will be kind of the folded long end. And then that piece you're going to want to cut in half, like this. You will need a string and a hole punch. But most importantly, you will need some things collected from outside, like flowers and leaves. I love these like little tiny blossoms that I was able to find, so I'm pretty excited. So let's get started. First, you're going to take one of your end pieces and lay it flat. Let's see if you can see what I'm doing here. So you'll need your first piece of contact paper. Okay. First thing, you will want to stick it on the end here. And you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, these are going to be your ends. And then go to your basket of stuff you found outside and start sticking it to your contact paper or your tape. So I like these little blossoms here. I'm going to make them as flat as I can. I got some pear blossoms off the tree that are super pretty. See? I'm going to put those flat. And I love these long, long petals. They're so pretty. You can pretty much just do whatever you want for your design. I think I'm going to put a couple of these little mint leaves in here. They're such a pretty color and shape. And maybe another little yellow flower. See this guy? Maybe put him there. And how about some more of these little purple blossoms? Now, you don't want to put too much because then you won't have much surface for your contact paper to stick to, which is what you'll need to do next. So I'm going to take my second square of contact paper and I'm going to line it up carefully with my first one and do sticky side down. So the 2 sticky sides are facing each other. You really want to smush them together really well because your flowers and leaves and stuff will want to push them apart. So you're going to really get them smushed. Now you will need some glue. I'm using hot glue, but you don't have to use hot glue. And you will take the end here and fold it over with the glue. There you go. And make sure you hold it down tight so it stays stuck. Now on this side, before I do the folding over, I'm going to punch a couple holes in here. I'm going to go from the side, I think. There you go. And And then I'm going to take my piece of string, put it through the holes. Okay, so now that it's in there, I want this to be kind of out of the way. So I'm going to pull this all the way back down here and make sure that it's tight on this side. And now it's time to glue this. So okay, there's all my glue. I'm going to pull that string tight. I'm going to fold this over. There we go. Make sure, hold it shut while it has a chance to dry a little. And now our string should be coming through like this. We can just tie it off. Look how pretty that is. What do you think? Should we go look at it in the window? Let's go take a peek.